Hello and welcome to our new video. Today I want to show you our sales process. Before we can start creating sales orders, we check that the environment is set up properly, and for that we check the company first. We see we have addresses, but we are interested in the sales account. Here we need to have a sales account, and that is set up. Next step, we check the sales setup. We have finished products, semi-finished products, raw material, services, all set to full VAT. Right now we do this because not every country has a reduced VAT. Some have only 1% for VAT. And now here we have the account for payments as the sales account we have seen in the company table. Let's start creating a sales order. We select the customer. The customer should have an address ID. If it is a company, it must have an address ID. If it is a person, we do not require address IDs, but we need to have a country because the country is linked to the VAT we are using. So we select a product group. Let's sell some pajamas and give it a number. 6 is nice. We place the order to see what we have here, and to continue with saving the data, we need to calculate the data. Data is calculated. We save the data. Everything is okay. So next step would be shipping. If the customer has ordered on the phone, or if it is something we cannot carry, we ship. We select the sales order. We can decide if we want to ship less or more items than in the order, but we need to give it an address ID here to get the proper IDs, proper address where we ship to. We save it and everything should be okay. And you see from the search dialog, the sales order has disappeared, which is correct because it's not an open order for shipping. We can check that in the sales orders. We go in here, and here we have status is ready to ship. We can also check the database. Let's see what we have been updating. We updated the accounts for the debtor, and the debtor is named by debtor and the company ID or the customer ID C1. So then we have a booking to request for deliveries and services. We check the debtor account. You see we have an account balance that is slightly higher than the booking we did, because that includes the VAT. And in the booking table, we do not have the VAT in this account. We have it in different accounts. So we check the sales order. Everything is here. We have a sales price VAT, we have percentage, we have an amount. Everything is fine. So we also have a summary table that gives us an overview of what is in one sales order. We have invoices. We created an invoice with invoice positions. We have bookings to our storage table. We have shipping to customer, a still total number of 24. So we had before that sales orders a total number of 30, and we have a storage journal, and that includes this one. So that's our sales process. And tomorrow I can show you how we do dunning, because today I cannot do dunning for this sales order because it's just ordered, and we should give the customer time to pay if he's not paying cash. So yeah, sales and then dunning and payment I show you in the next video.